Now let's learn how to use the vehicle harness in pre-fit mode. Once the desired vehicle mount is installed, this will provide 4 connection points for the vest, 2 at the shoulder and 2 at the pelvis, along with the crotch strap to be secured as part of the process. The person will put on the vest in a place that's comfortable, and you can adjust the Velcro straps on the harness for a comfortable fit. Ensure that there is sufficient webbing available at both the shoulder and the pelvis on the vest to make fitment easier. The person will then sit in the vehicle seat while wearing the vest, and you can secure the cross-chest buckle. Next, connect the 2 lower straps on the pelvic buckles. There will be one either side of the person's pelvis. Next, connect the 2 upper straps to the shoulder buckles, and there will be one either side of the person's shoulder. Using the webbing loop of the cross strap, pass the middle harness buckle through to connect the vest to the cross strap. Now the harness can be tightened through adjustment at the shoulder buckles if required, and you can do this through pulling any excess webbing through the harness with one hand. Once all 6 buckles are connected, the seatbelt can be fitted over the top of the user and the harness. Care should be taken to ensure the cross-chest buckle is not underneath the shoulder sash of the seatbelt, and harness adjustment may be required if this occurs. It's also worth noting that the vehicle seatbelt can be positioned underneath the harness. This can be helpful for users who may interfere with the vehicle seatbelt during travel. To do this, leave the cross-chest buckle open when the harness has been secured to the vehicle mount. Then position the vehicle seatbelt across the user but underneath the vest. Next, connect the harness to its buckles, including securing the webbing loop of the cross strap piece. Lastly, ensure all buckles are connected and tighten the harness as required.